Hello everyone, Clinton here. Welcome to the channel. If you're joining us for the first time, I really do appreciate you and welcome to this channel. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to transfer your funds from your funding account to your spot wallet, or from your spot wallet to your funding wallet, vice versa. It's not just only these two. You can actually make use of this method to transfer within other wallets like your features, your earning, and the rest of them, your margin wallets and the rest of them. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this on the website, on the desktop website, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do this on your mobile phone. So I'm going to proceed now with the website currently. So let's go into our website now. So from here, you can see that we're in the website, and all you have to do now is just to go over to this part that says wallet, and from here you just go over to where it says overview. This is where you can see all the wallet that's associated with your account. So from here you can see your fiat and spot, margin, features, options, funding, and earn. So if you want to transfer funds from each of these wallets, you can simply come over here and click transfer, but you can also just go over to this part over above the wallets here, and you can see this option of transfer. As you can see, the option comes up, so you just go ahead and click on this, and once you click on it, it's going to bring out this window for you. You can actually choose from where you want to send and to what wallet you want to send it to. So just go ahead and let's say you want to transfer from your fiat and spot. You can just actually go down here and choose the destination. Let's assume you want to put it on funding. So this is just how to do it, and you can come over here, choose your coin. You can scroll and find it, or you can actually just put it the name USDT. Just come over here and choose USDT Theta US, and once you click it, you don't have an available Theta here now, so all I have to do is just to, you can put in the amount, for instance $10, or you can actually max it to input all your available balance in USDT, and once you click on confirm, your the fund is going to transfer from fiat to your funding. Make sure you have balance in your fiat and spot before you can do this, and this is the same way you can do this if you want to send from your funding to your fiat. All you have to do is just to come over here and just click on this icon here, and you're gonna toggle them, you're gonna interchange them just like this. You can see funding now is up and fiat and spot is just down. Okay, so guys, this is just how you can be able to do this, and just bear in mind that if you want to trade P2P and you make use of the Binance Pay, you must have a fund in your funding account. Previously it was called P2P wallet, and not until Binance introduced the Binance Pay, so they merged the Binance Pay here. This is Binance Pay and this other one is P2P. Then they merged both of them together and they called it funding. So if you want to make use of any of these two options here, you have to make sure that you have fund in your funding wallet. All right guys, I'm going to show you guys the way to carry this out using your mobile phone. It's just going to be the same procedure, but just in case it's going to be kind of confusing, just to clear things out, I'm going to show you guys right now. So from here, okay, now we have launched the mobile application, and from here you can see where it says wallet just by the bottom right corner, and you're going to click on wallet, and from here you're going to see your it's going to be an overview. From the top section right now, you're going to see overview, sports, funding, margin, features, in. Okay, so all you have to do is to go to funding. Let's say you have your crypto in your funding or your spot. It's just the same way. Then you just go ahead and click on transfer, and the same process we used in the website, there's the same method you're going to use here. You input it, you can switch between spot, and you can change this to funding, and you can switch them interchangeably, and you can be able to transfer funds. All right guys, this is basically everything you have to know when it comes to transferring funds between different wallets on your Binance account. If you find this video really helpful, you can give it a like and drop a comment in the comment section, and you can also consider subscribing to the channel. All right guys, see you guys in a future video. Have a nice day and peace out.